Hi everyone, it's Ria. Today my husband has the day off, and on nights like this, we usually want something a little hearty for dinner. So today we are making chicken parmesan. It sounds like an Italian dish, but it's actually very popular in America. But we are in our 50s, so we try to be a little more careful about the oil and the calories. Because of that, whenever we make something like fried food at home, we usually use an air fryer. So today I'm going to show you how we make a chicken parmesan using the air fryer. We are Japanese, so we try to cook using simple ingredients that are easy to find at home. Here are the ingredients we are using today. Chicken thighs 3 pieces, salt and pepper, all-purpose flour, 1 egg, Panko breadcrumbs, mozzarella cheese, and our favorite tomato sauce brand, Ragu. Next, let's prepare the chicken. First, for the chicken thighs, sometimes there are small bones or tough tendons inside, so we remove those first. If there are areas with too much fat, we trim those a little as well. Once the chicken is cleaned and ready, we can start preparing breading ingredients. First flour, then 1 egg, and panko breadcrumbs. For the panko, we actually put it in a small bowl first, but the bowl was little too small. Later, we moved the panko to a flat plate because it's easier to coat the chicken that way. Before we start coating the chicken, let's go ahead and beat the egg so it's ready to use. Once everything is ready, we season the chicken with salt and pepper. Now it's time to coat the chicken. The order is flour first, then egg, and finally panko breadcrumbs. Lightly coat the chicken with flour and shake off the excess. Dip it into the beaten egg. Finally, coat it with the panko breadcrumbs. Here's a small tip. Use one hand for the flour and egg, and the other hand for the breadcrumbs. That way, your fingers don't get completely covered in butter. Gently press the breadcrumbs so they stick well. Repeat this for all the chicken pieces. Now it's my turn. First, we preheat the air fryer so it gets a little warm. Then lightly spray some oil on the tray and place the coated chicken on it. And spray a little oil on top of the chicken as well. This helps the surface become crispy, almost like fried food. Now, place it in the air fryer. We cook it at 385 Fahrenheit for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, take it out and flip the chicken. spray a little oil again. Then cook it for another 5 minutes. The chicken is ready. It looks almost like a chicken katsu and it's nicely crispy. From here, you could add the tomato sauce and mozzarella directly in the air fryer. But since we have a toaster oven at home, we like to finish it there. So we transfer the chicken to the toaster oven tray. First, spread the ragu tomato sauce on top of the chicken, then add the mozzarella cheese. Now, we put it into the toaster oven and let the cheese melt. The chicken is already fully cooked, so we just need to do the tomato sauce to heat up, mozzarella to melt. Once the cheese becomes nice and melted, it's ready. And here is it. One thing I really like about using the air fryer is that you don't need to use a lot of oil, which makes dishes like this much easier to make. We've actually been making this quite often lately. It's a great meal for a relaxing weekend dinner. I hope you will give it a try too. Alright, that's it for today. How did you like this video? If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. See you soon. Bye.